Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at this fella. It's a Bluetooth speaker that belongs to my kitchen. So it just stopped working. I'm not sure why. There's absolutely no power. There's no display on the front. You push a phone on it, it doesn't charge, doesn't do anything. So there's absolutely nothing happening, no matter what buttons I press or what I plug into it, or I've tried a different adapter. And this adapter is actually working on other stuff, so I know it's not the adapter. So we're going to take it apart and see exactly what's inside it and see if we can fix it. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so it didn't actually take me too long to figure out what the problem was. So I could see two components that have obviously failed. There's a capacitor that's missing its top. Its legs are still in the board, but the top is missing. I can also see a resistor that is burnt out. You can see it's all charred up. So I'm going to have to look up a schematic online to figure out what the charred resistor is supposed to be. The capacitor I can read off the side. And then yeah, I'm going to have a look through my parts bin then, and hopefully I have them at hand, because otherwise I'm going to have to order them off eBay and it's just going to take me a bit longer. So yeah, I'm going to have a look and see. Okay, so I've had a root through my parts bin and I actually have got the two parts. So I've got a 1 UF capacitor. This one is actually 50 volts and the one that came out of it is I think it was 6 volts or 7 volts, something like that. But as far as I know, the voltage doesn't really matter. That's just how many volts they can handle. Don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure, but that's my understanding. And I got a 1R resistor. So that's the two components we need. So the next step is we're going to have to desolder the two components and get these new ones in, and then we can put it together and see if it actually works. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to get at there now. So I have it, the board back in, it's nothing secured in yet, but everything is plugged back in. The only plug that's not is this one here. That's supposed to go down to some LEDs that are down here, but I managed to break the board trying to get it out. There was a big gold hot glue down here, and when I was trying to get it off, it just snapped. So if this is working, I'll work on trying to get this back together. I think I should be able to do it. And yeah, so I'm gonna mess about with this and see if we can get it to work. So I'm not sure if you can see there, but the lights on the front are actually flashing. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna try to connect my phone up to it now. Okay, so I've got the little blue light flashing here for the Bluetooth. So I'm just going to try connect up my wife's phone there now. And I should be on already on this phone, so we shouldn't have to pair it either. Yeah, it's just connected there, Philips AS11, that's what it is. So let's try some music. Okay, so I've got this led all back together. Unfortunately, I couldn't get this to work. It wasn't working when I had it wired up to this, and I also put it on my external power supply, and it didn't work on that either. So I have messed up something on it somewhere. That was pretty crude attempt anyway at getting it working. So I'm not too surprised. It would have been really nice if it had worked. So I might look back into that at some other point, but for today I'm finished, and the Bluetooth speakers wanted back in duty, so I'm not going to mess about with it anymore. It's all working there now. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.